How's it going, everybody? Landon here with TBS. Pumped about this edition of Truck Boss Show. We're here live behind the scenes when it comes to the motorcycle stunt. Isela, what do you think?
Hey, I'm having a blast. I know we all are. It is amazing. GBATS 2018 is the place to be. We're about to check out the FMX motorcycle stunt riders, and they are about to do all kinds of flips and cool tricks. And guys, if you're out here, come by.
That's
you
right.
cannot miss out.
As promised, we wanted to give you exactly what's going on at this event, bring it to you in social media. So enjoy this. We're going to get out of the way.
That's right.
So you guys can have a lot of fun.
Don't forget to comment, tag, share, and let everybody know we're out here, okay? So
that's
we're
right.
going to let you check this out, all right?
All right. See you guys.
He's going to be about 34 feet off the ground off of our standard ramp right here.
Oh, wow.
By the time he goes off of this 90-foot jump over here, we're pushing 40+ feet.
That's pretty outstanding. Now, Randy, you know, I know you've done some things in your life. Have you ever accomplished anything like this?
Never have I had the desire, you know. I thought the idea was to keep both wheels on the ground the entire time.
Right now, what's really cool about these guys is they're warming up, so they're getting ready to give us a great show, Landon. Are you excited about it?
I'm pumped about this. Nikki, hey, real quick before we get this shot, show how many people are going.
Oh my
goodness. There's literally over almost 2,500,
from all over
maybe
the
3,000 people here. It's amazing.
All over the place. They come from, whoa!
Oh!
For that.
Sorry about that. We just missed the first one, but here comes the second one.
There we go. These guys are pretty awesome and also really, really, really brave for what they do.
This is nuts. I don't know about you, Isela, but I would not do this.
I couldn't do it. I could barely ride a bike.
Oh, there we go.
Uh-oh.
Who's going next?
That is what I would not have right now is confidence. That made me feel weird in other places.
Wow.
Oh!
I bet this is like a warm-up for them, don't you think?
Yeah, this seems like a warm-up, having a little fun, looking at each other, going, what you got? I've got this.
That's right.
A lot of fun.
There's a real small window. These guys will get it dialed in that way they can put on a good show for the crowd.
Now, I know there's a lot of gearheads down here in the crowd. Did you hear that?
I wonder if they're going to do something together.
Here we go, here we go.
Oh, here they go.
United FMX just warming up. That's just what
That's
they do.
it. That's a warm-up.
Normal bikes, or are they souped up?
What's cool about this, Isela, is that this is one side of the stunt ramp. They're going to be jumping over to that big rig here in just a minute.
Because if you can see, it's a pretty
What I love about this event, Landon, and this is something that we were talking about earlier, it's how it's a family event.
That's right.
You know, you can bring the family out here, have a good time, and enjoy all the good things and all the good stuff that's going on out here.
Oh, did you hear it? He's hauling.
That's awesome. These guys are going at least 50 feet, 60 feet in the air. It's crazy.
The crowd is loving it.
One more time. Let's see what we got here.
They are higher than us, and wherever we are, height above the ground right now, they are higher than us by a good 10 feet when they get up there.
That's a lot higher than I would go.
Oh, exactly. And
I'm
the
just
kids are
saying.
having fun. You can hear the kids. They're
They're just
enjoying the
warming
view.
up.
They're
There's like,
awesome.
whatever. There it is.
Brian and I set up this big truck jump.
Nice little tail whip.
To the beginning of the year, and I've been training for this thing, and it breaks my heart to be able to not perform, but I work with some of the top professionals right here, ladies and gentlemen. I brought them in. Let's go ahead and introduce them.
Let's do it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, starting with the red sportswear there. Who's that?
All right, the gentleman on the right side of the ramp wearing the red on the blue bike. He comes from Weatherford,
I don't know about you, Isela,
That's
but I'm pumped
Oklahoma
about.
representing out here. Joplin, did you hear that? He is
That's
from,
right.
He's from Weatherford.
GBATS does it right. This event's amazing.
All right.
That's right.
Literally, I'm just
Listen.
excited about what's about to happen,
When
and these
they
guys are about
said-
to show off.
No, when they said if you're not at GBATS, you're missing out. Well, guess what? You're missing out if you're not here.
Exactly.
He's the most sponsored rider that I have the privilege of riding with. Give it up for Mr. Jared LaRue.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Now I don't know if it's the parent side of me coming out, but every time they go up like that, Randy, it just makes my heart stop.
Heart stop. I leave my stomach up there with them every time they get up in the air.
No, I agree with the parent remark. If my
Right.
son was doing this, I would not be excited about this.
I don't know. I have
But
boys,
watching
and
this from this
it's-
angle, I'm
it's
pumped.
kinda-
Let's
yes.
do it. Let's get extreme. Let's have some fun.
I'd be sick right now.
All right, so get your cameras
One
out.
time, let's go.
We're going to move straight into the tricks, everybody.
That's normal. What?
Lincoln Crump knows how to put on the show with you, don't they? I want to thank those guys again for making
These guys are so brave. I gotta give them that.
It's crazy. And they're just starting.
This is just their warm-up right here.
That's
This is crazy.
This is only a warm-up, guys.
All right, as you can see, there's different variations.
There goes the guy from Weatherford, Oklahoma. Awesome.
Variation called the switchblade.
They're just jumping 60, 70 feet in the air. No big
Yeah,
deal.
it's no biggie.
Very important to get your feet back on the pegs, I must say.
Yeah, and hold on to the daggone handlebars, guys. You're freaking me out here.
This is
This
nuts.
is amazing.
What?
Oh,
Superman seat wrap,
Oh my
ladies and gentlemen.
goodness.
If you look at his seat
Crazy.
over here, he's got a-
guys, I hope that you are really checking this out because, oh
Yeah,
my
that's
goodness.
normal.
These guys are doing
That's
such
crazy
an amazing
good.
job.
Oh my gosh. Now, you guys, this is
Like I said, Landon, I can barely ride a bike and these guys are just up in the air doing their
Yeah,
tricks.
of
Look
course.
at
Let's
that.
do his little scissor or something.
Yeah, right.
This is intense.
Wow, check that out. That's right, guys. You know, Truck Boss bringing the show to you.
That's right. Having a good time, giving you behind the scenes when it comes to GBATS 2018. Having a blast.
100 before, oh my gosh.
That was awesome.
He hasn't even done that one in front of me before.
Randy, are you live on Facebook?
I think they're warming up a little bit.
They're warming up.
What?
If that's a warm-up, I wonder what the real stuff is going to be like.
It's crazy because they're going to be jumping over that 18-wheeler in a minute.
Are you guys having a good time? Help the riders out.
Look at this crowd. This crowd is awesome. I'm telling you, they're enjoying every single bit of it. These kids are enjoying it all.
That's
They're
awesome.
having a good time. I mean, you can bring the family out, and it's great.
Just thousands of people having a great time here at GBATS 2018.
Love it. Now,
Nothing like a
the
good
guy
behind-the-scenes
that's right here
truck
in the
show.
red, remember, this is a guy from Weatherford, Oklahoma, and I love it. Wow.
I don't know. Seriously, you guys, you don't really have to hurt yourself.
We get quite competitive.
Just crazy good.
Competition here.
Because, I mean, truly, that's what you guys do. You compete in this industry, man. That's amazing.
It is, you know, it's what keeps us going.
Wow.
The kiss of death, ladies and gentlemen.
That is awesome.
I can't do that on the ground, let alone on the motorcycle like we are.
So Isela, we're going to wrap it up. I know these guys are going to have an incredible time jumping over this rig.
Oh my God. They're
We're going
doing
to
an
bring that to
amazing
you here
job.
soon. So stay next. Oh my gosh, sorry about that. Little backflip. Caught that live on Truck Boss Show. Sorry about that. I got a little excited.
No, that's fine.
That was
That's,
crazy good.
You
What a
and
great
the
way to
whole
end.
crowd is excited about this. Look at that. That's
That was
Weatherford,
nuts.
Oklahoma, you guys. Representing out here in Joplin, Missouri
That's
at
right.
GBATS 2018. Oh, here we go.
And Cody Elkins, when we're not
These
done,
guys are doing an awesome
we're
job.
not- we got something else that we always
You guys,
do on
if you
shows for
really have
guys.
not been to GBATS, we really do tell you got to come. Next time they have this event, you have to be out here. These
That's
people
right.
are amazing. They treat you like family. You are very, very welcome. That's how they've treated us, and we've actually enjoyed everything that we've got to experience out here.
That's right.
Look at the
We're about
crowd
to do
going
something pretty
crazy.
special here. Here we go.
Yep, here we go. Wow.
That's awesome.